Transformer.
Transforming.
You're transforming. What are you going to become, Dee? What are you transforming into?
You have to wait and see.
All right.
Transforming?
He is.
Nice.
He's all the way down.
Wow, what an
Now
actor.
let's see what he turns out to be.
That face, he's all serious.
Doing a performance of transforming.
That was good. Yay!
Good transformer. Nice job. Good
That's
transformation.
hilarious.
I like this.
Look at that robot walk.
This age is, I mean, if you could model it. Because they don't get any cuter. They don't.
Hi, Becky. Let's see your Rosie 8 Boombill, your find of the day. We got that and that
So
canoe.
far.
I said it's a pretty good find.
Yeah,
Where's that canoe? Oh, there it is. Check it out. He's having a good time with that little canoe thing. It's so cool.
They're all gonna walk.
All right. Thanksgiving 08 Picnic Island. Waiting for Grandma and Grandpa and Aunt Lil and Uncle Jerry. And then the whole gang will be here.